So we're gonna attempt to cut this person's hair right here, Brian's hair. We'll see how it goes. So we're gonna attempt to cut this person's hair right here, Brian's hair. We'll see how it goes. Quarantine needs to end soon. That's kind of what the deal is. I guess he trusts me to cut his hair. Here we go. Nice scissors, very short. To make it like a professional, you gotta layer it and everything. Hey, I'm layering here. How about that? Not just cut.
Hair curls really straight, so you gotta be careful.
Oh, you mean it might stick out?
Yep.
Well, that's I think that's it. We're gonna make him turn around. Let me see my nice little haircut here.
You know, I once swam a river. It was infested with alligators, but letting Janet cut my hair is the bravest thing I've ever done.
Not bad, look. I got it trimmed. I even used a razor. I just couldn't get this. Like, I couldn't get this to layer off. But look, I didn't get a bald head. He got a lot of hair for sure. Look at that. I wish I had that hair. Freaking ass. Doesn't even have hardly any gray. Do you think he colored his hair? I never seen any roots. So I think I did a good job. Look at that. Look how good looking he is. Okay, so now it's time for me to cut my hair because my bangs is too long. So now I'm just gonna cut my bangs. It's too long. I actually had a haircut that Saturday before the quarantine, the stay-home orders. That Monday, I was kind of lucky, but I just can't take this bangs anymore. So let me see, make sure I got it right. Okay, I'm gonna be brave. Since I cut Brian's hair, I can cut my hair. I'm just gonna cut a little bit. How's that? Oh God, please. Boom. How much did I cut? Okay, that's about 3/4 of an inch. I think that's enough. Okay, let's see here. Am I doing all right, honey?
Oh, you look lovely.
Okay, I think that's... Okay, so now I'm gonna try the goddamn layer it if I could know how to layer it. So I won't look like a crazy... felt like I'm holding my breath while I'm cutting my hair. Oh God, I hope I didn't cut too short that one. Okay. How's that? Is that... God. Okay, is that layered? I don't think it's even. Okay. I think that will do for right now. Is that straight? Oh my God, it's not right straight. It seems like it's easier to cut Brian's hair. He's gonna try to cut.
There, you cut it. I don't want to get any of the blame for this.
Oh God, I don't think it's all even, but how's that? He's scared that I might blame him since I got rid of his. Where I got rid of yours, honey? Sideburn. He doesn't have any sideburn, but hey, I asked him. He wanted straight. I gave him a straight sideburn. You see? I think that's good. How's that? I don't think I'm gonna layer it anymore. You see? Okay, how's that? It looks like a
Well, it looks like a professional studio job.
just my bangs, that's all I could take. Alright, well that's good. At least it's not all over my face. I got all the hair. Oh. All the hair on my face. So what y'all think? Y'all be the judge. Did I do good on my bangs? I guess Monday I'll find out.